Hi, today we will explore the different types of part-time warehouse jobs, their job descriptions, skill requirements, working hours, salary expectations, and industries in the US and Europe that offer these opportunities. Let's start. Types of part-time jobs in warehouses. 1. Warehouse associate. Job description: warehouse associates handle inventory, stock shelves, pick and pack orders, and maintain cleanliness in the warehouse. Skill level required: basic physical fitness, attention to detail, and the ability to operate simple warehouse equipment. Working hours: typically shifts of 4 to 6 hours, evening and weekend shifts available. Experience and salary: entry level, $13 to $18 per hour in the US, 11 to 16 euros per hour in Europe. Industries hiring: e-commerce, Amazon, Walmart, retail, Target, Tesco, and food distribution, Cisco, Aldi. 2. Forklift operator. Job description: operates forklifts to move heavy goods around the warehouse. Also responsible for stacking and organizing pallets. Skill level required: forklift certification, hand-eye coordination, and awareness of safety protocols. Working hours: flexible shifts, often including overnight shifts. Experience and salary: 6 months, 1 year of experience required, $15 to $22 per hour in the US, 13 to 18 euros per hour in Europe. Industries hiring: logistics companies, DHL, FedEx, manufacturing, Ford, Siemens, and warehousing, Amazon, IKEA. 3. Order picker/packer. Job description: selects products based on customer orders, packs them securely, and prepares them for shipment. Skill level required: basic computer skills, ability to lift light to moderate weight, and attention to detail. Working hours: part-time shifts vary, but weekend and holiday shifts are common. Experience and salary: entry level, $12 to $17 per hour in the US, 10 to 15 euros per hour in Europe. Industries hiring: e-commerce, Zalando, eBay, fashion retail, Nike, Adidas, and grocery chains, Carrefour, Kroger. 4. Inventory clerk. Job description: tracks inventory, updates warehouse databases, and ensures stock levels meet demand. Skill level required: data entry skills, attention to detail, and organizational abilities. Working hours: usually 4 to 6 hour shifts, day and evening shifts available. Experience and salary: 1+ year of inventory management experience preferred, $14 to $20 per hour in the US, 12 to 17 euros per hour in Europe. Industries hiring: supermarkets, Walmart, Lidl, electronics retailers, Best Buy, Media Market, and automotive warehouses, BMW, Volkswagen. 5. Shipping and receiving clerk. Job description: responsible for processing incoming and outgoing shipments, verifying invoices, and organizing warehouse inventory. Skill level required: attention to detail, experience with barcode scanners, and ability to coordinate with suppliers. Working hours: part-time shifts, often during peak shipping seasons. Experience and salary: 1 to 2 years preferred, $14 to $21 per hour in the US, 12 to 18 euros per hour in Europe. Industries hiring: freight and logistics, UPS, Maersk, online marketplaces, Etsy, Shopify, and medical supply chains, Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson. 6. Loader/unloader. Job description: manually loads and unloads goods from trucks and containers, ensuring secure transportation. Skill level required: physical endurance, teamwork skills, and ability to handle heavy loads. Working hours: night shifts and early morning shifts are common. Experience and salary: entry level, $12 to $16 per hour in the US, 10 to 14 euros per hour in Europe. Industries hiring: freight shipping, UPS, FedEx, retail warehouses, Costco, Asda, and construction supply warehouses. 7. Returns processor. Job description: inspects returned goods, processes refunds or exchanges, and restocks items. Skill level required: analytical thinking, attention to detail, and knowledge of warehouse software. Working hours: seasonal part-time work is common. Experience and salary: entry level, $13 to $18 per hour in the US, 11 to 16 euros per hour in Europe. Industries hiring: e-commerce, Amazon, Zalando, apparel and footwear, Nike, Puma, and consumer electronics, Apple, Samsung. How to apply for part-time warehouse jobs in the US and Europe. Finding part-time warehouse jobs in the US and Europe is relatively easy, as many industries continuously require workers to support their logistics and distribution networks. Here are some ways to apply. 1. Job portals and company websites. US-based portals. Indeed, www.indeed.com. Glassdoor, www.glassdoor.com. LinkedIn Jobs, www.linkedin.com/jobs. Amazon Jobs, www.amazon.jobs. Europe-based portals. TotalJobs, www.totaljobs.com. EURES, European Job Mobility Portal, ec.europa.eu/EURES. Monster Europe, www.monster.co.uk. 2. Staffing agencies. Many companies use staffing agencies to fill part-time warehouse jobs. Examples include US, Adecco, Randstad, Manpower Group. Europe, Kelly Services, Hayes, Reed. 3. Direct warehouse applications. Some large warehouse employers allow direct walk-in applications. Examples include Amazon Fulfillment Centers, DHL and FedEx Distribution Centers, Retail Distribution Hubs, Walmart, Tesco, Carrefour. 4. Seasonal hiring events. Many warehouses ramp up hiring during peak seasons, e.g., Black Friday, Christmas. Checking company announcements and attending seasonal hiring events can be beneficial. That's it for today. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe.